What is up, guys? It's Fortnite 101, your #1 challenge guide for Fortnite. So today, here on this channel, I will be covering help for Fortbyte 61, available by using Sunbird spray on a frozen waterfall. So the Sunbird spray is found at, let's try and find what tier it is, what it looks like. It is tier 26 in the free pass, and once you have unlocked that, you need to go to your locker, go to your sprays, and equip it into your main slot, because if it's not equipped into your main slot, you will slide away. Let's cut to the game and roll the intro. Okay, you're in the game. So, once you have the Fortbyte, the Sunbird spray equipped in your locker, you must land exactly at my marker there, and hopefully you need quite a good job for this Fortbyte because of its height. You'd be very unlucky if you got a job that wouldn't be suitable, because if it wasn't in zone, you might get hurt by zone. So, make your way over. And the reason you need to have the spray equipped in your locker slot, because if you don't and you scroll through all of your stuff for it, the ice will slide you away, and by the time you get to the spray, you would have not been close enough to it for it to work. So, as you can see, I'm almost there. Clearly quite a few people coming here. So yes, there you can see the outline. So get down, place the spray, and there you have it. Fortbyte 61.